Cucumber cultivation in Nigeria is what I am talking to you about in this video today. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's topic is about cucumber cultivation in Nigeria. Cucumber is a popular vegetable that is widely cultivated in Nigeria and it is consumed both fresh and processed. Cucumber is a highly nutritious vegetable and is a good source of vitamins and minerals. In this video, I will show you how to cultivate cucumber successfully right here in Nigeria. Step number 1 is soil preparation. The first step in cultivating cucumbers is to prepare the soil. Cucumbers thrive in well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. To prepare the soil, you should clear the land of weeds and debris and then till the soil to a depth of at least 30 centimeters. Add organic matter such as compost or manure to the soil to improve its fertility. Number 2, seed selection and planting. The next step is to select high-quality cucumber seeds. Choose seeds that are disease-resistant and suitable for the climate in your area. Plant the seeds in well-spaced rows on hills with a distance of about 1 meter between rows or hills. Cover the seeds with soil to a depth of about 2 centimeters and water thoroughly. Step number 3 is watering and fertilizing. Cucumbers requires regular watering to grow properly. Water the plants deeply, at least once a week or more often in hot and dry weather. You should also fertilize the plants regularly to provide the nutrients they need to grow. Use a balanced fertilizer and follow the manufacturer's instructions for its application. Step number 4 is pest and disease control. Cucumbers are vulnerable to various pests and diseases, including aphids, mites, and powdery mildews. To prevent these problems, you should monitor your plants regularly and take action at the first sign of infestation. Use organic pest control methods such as neem oil or soap sprays and remove any infected plant immediately. Step number 5 is harvesting. Cucumbers typically take about 50 to 70 days to mature, depending on the variety. Harvest the cucumbers when they are still young and tender, as mature cucumbers can become bitter and tough. Cut the cucumbers from the vine with a sharp knife and undo them gently to avoid bruising. In conclusion, there you have it, a brief guide to cultivating cucumbers in Nigeria. With the right soil preparation, seed selection, and care, you can grow healthy and delicious cucumbers that are a valuable addition to any diet. Thank you for watching and we hope you find this video helpful. Thank you again for watching and I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. My name is Olugbengalitun and I'm the brain behind this YouTube channel. Now, if you have adverts that you want to place on this channel, you can get in touch with me and we're going to discuss and we're going to bring your products and your service onto this platform for my viewers to patronize you. But make sure that what you are doing is legit. I only focus on legitimate businesses, legitimate things, so that it can benefit every one of us together. Share the link of this video with your family and friends, and if you have any question or comment, you can make it in the comment section below. The next video I'm going to be doing after this one is how to make compost easily in Nigeria. That's organic manure, compost making, fertilizer, organic farming, and many others. So I'll see you in the next video. This video popping up right now is the next you need to see. Let's go.